Good morning, class. Today is our maths class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3, subtractions. Before starting the chapter, we have to learn about subtractions. Okay, what is subtraction? Subtractions means taking away one numbers from another. Okay, we can understand, we take away one numbers from another. This is the symbol of subtractions. This is called also minus. Minus symbol is used to represent subtract. Which symbol? This is the symbol of subtraction, and this symbol we use to represent the subtractions. Now let us learn about minuend and subtrahend and difference. What is minuend? Subtractions, the number from which another number is subtracted, is called minuend. Okay, subtractions, the number from which another number is subtracted, is called the minuend, and the number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the answer we get after the subtraction is called the difference. When we subtract bigger number to smaller number to bigger number, so we subtract 10 minus 6, we get 4. So 4 is our answer, and after the we get after the subtraction, and this is the called our difference. Let us see example. How many flowers are there to all together? So count. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 14 flowers are there. How many flowers? 14 flowers. So there are 14 flowers altogether. Now we will separate green flowers and purple flowers. Now we will separate. So we have separated the green flowers and purple flowers. We have 10 flowers green, and we have 4 flowers are purple. So we will write 10 flowers minus 4 flowers. How many we will get? We will minus 10 flowers, 4 flowers from 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flower left. 6 flowers are left. Now we are going to start our lesson, the balloon seller. Here is a balloon seller. A balloon seller has balloons of different colors and shapes. He sells sums of balloons. Here is a balloon seller. He sells different color and shapes of balloons, and he sells some of the balloons. Subtract the find out how many balloons are left with him now. 25 balloons minus 14 balloons. We have to minus 25 balloons. We have to minus 14 balloons from 25 balloons. Okay. So we will minus. We have 5 balloons. We have 5 balloons. Like this. We have 5 balloons. Okay. Now we have to subtract 4 balloons. We will subtract 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left is 1 balloon. So we will write in 1's place. 1 balloon is left. Now we have 2 balloons. 2 tens. Okay. We have 2 tens balloon. Now we have to subtract 1. So 1 10 balloon is left. So we get the answer 11. So this is our difference. Next topic is write numbers in columns and subtract. Now we have to learn how to write the number in columns, and we have to do subtract. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. What we do? We subtract smaller number from the bigger number. in previous lesson we have learned what is how to find bigger number and smaller number. Okay, we find bigger number, smaller number from the tens place or ones place. So first we have to write, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. First take the bigger number and write it above the smaller number. We have to find the bigger number and write it above the smaller number. Okay, so in this example, which is the bigger number? Here is a 4 and here is a 5. Okay, so 5 is a bigger from 4. So we will take 59 and write it in top. Okay, we will write it in top. So 59, 9 is in one place and 5 is in tens. 5 tens and 9 ones. We will write 48. The smaller number we will write down the bigger number. 4 10 and 8 ones. Now then subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Now we will subtract smaller number 48 from the bigger number 59. Okay, we will use the subtraction sign minus. Okay, now we have 9 in one place and 8 in one place, 5 in 10 place and 4 in 10 place. So we have to subtract 8 from the 9. So we can forward counting after 8, 9. So we get one difference in between 9 or 8. And 5, we can forward counting after 4, 5. So we get one difference in between 5 or 4. So 110 and 1 ones we get our difference. Okay, let us see next example. We have to take bigger number. Which is the bigger? Here is a 6 in 10 place and here is a 5 in 10 place. So which is the bigger? 68 is bigger because 6 is bigger number. We will write 68, 6 in 10 place, 8 in 1 place. Okay, and now we will write down smaller number 53. We have written bigger number top on the top and we will write smaller number 53 in down the bigger number. Now we will use the represent the minus sign. Okay, we have to minus 8 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So we will write here 5. 8 minus 3 we get 5. 6 minus 5 we get 1. Okay, now we will see exercise 3.1. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. We have to take smaller number and we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. First we take smaller number 6 and 7. Which is the bigger number? 78 is a bigger number. We will write top on the top bigger number and then we will write smaller number 66 down the bigger number. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 we get 2. 6 and 2 8. Okay, and 7 minus 6 we get 1. So we get 110 and 2 ones, 12 ones. Okay, rest of numbers B, C and anything you have to do, I am leaving for you. Second number question, subtract the following. One has been done for you. Now we have to subtract on the abacus. Okay, this is the abacus and these are the beads. Now we have 10 beads and 1 beads. Okay, we have 4 tens and 5 ones. Minus 3 10 and 2 ones. We have to minus 32 smaller number from the bigger number 45. Okay, now we will start from our one side. We have 5 ones and 2 ones. We minus 5 minus 2. Okay, here is a 5 beads. We cancel 2 beads. 1, 2. We get 1, 2, 3 beads. So we will write in the column ones column 3. Now 410 and 310. We have to minus 310 from the 410. Okay, we have 410, we have to minus 310. So 1, 2, 3. We get 1 difference. So we will write in tens place 1. Rest of the, so we get the difference of 13. Okay, rest of number you have to do. I am giving for your homework. Class, our next topic is word problems. Word problems of subtraction. You can see problems sum of subtraction. Let us some example to understand this. Example, there are 78 beads in a box. Meena took 24 beads to make a necklace. How many beads are left in the box? Left I have highlight from the orange sketch. Okay, left. Childrens, whenever you see the question, if the word left is seen, that means you are going to subtract it. Okay, whenever you see the question, whenever you see the question, if the word is left, the word left is seen, that means we have to do subtract it. Okay, you can easily understand this question is of subtraction. Okay, so we are going to follow all the steps as you did exactly the same in problem sum of addition. Okay, the only difference over here will be instead of plus sign you will show the minus sign. Okay, you will show the minus sign, and instead of total we will write left. What we will write in answer? We will write left. Okay, so let's do this example. Now first we will write number of beads in the box. This is our example. There are 78 beads in a box. How many 70 are there in a box? 78. Meena took 24 beads to make a necklace. How many beads Meena took? 24. How many beads are left in the box? We have to subtraction because this word is represent the subtraction. Okay, number of beads in the box. How many numbers are there in box? 78. We get 17 and 8 ones. Number of beads Meena took. How many beads Meena took? 24. Okay, now we will use the sign of subtraction. Okay, so we get 17 and 8 ones, 2 tens and 4 ones. Now we have to subtraction 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So we will subtract 4 from the 8. Okay, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 4 fingers are left. So we will write here 4. 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So number of beads left 54. 5, 10 and 4 ones. So we will write in answer there are 54 beads are left in the box. Let us see one more example in exercise 3.2. Solve the following word problems. In a class of 46 students, 22 are boys. How many are girls? How many girls are there in the class? In a class there are 46 students and 22 are boys. Now we have to find out the number of girls. Okay, so we will write number of student in a class in this column. So we write 46 number of students, and number of boys we have given 22. 22 boys are in class Okay, now we have to find out the number of girls. 6 minus 2 we get 4. After 2, 3, 4 we get 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 we get 2. So 24 are there girls. So we will write here there are 24 girls in the class. How many girls? There are 24 girls in the class. Rest of numbers I am leaving for you. You have to do from yourself. Next topic is subtraction with regrouping or borrowing. What is the meaning of borrowing? Borrowing means to borrow, उधार लेना. Okay. To borrow means कि हम किसी से उधार लेते हैं. Okay. One fact is in subtraction with regrouping, we cannot subtract bigger number from the smaller number, smaller one. We cannot subtract bigger number from the small number. Always we will subtract smaller number to bigger number. Let's see, we can subtract smaller number to bigger number. We have 5. We will write here 5 sticks. Okay, we will draw 5 sticks and we have to subtract 4 stick. We will cut 4 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 1 sticks. Okay, we can subtract smaller number to bigger number. But when we subtract smaller number to bigger number, let us see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot, because we cannot subtract smaller number to bigger number to smaller number. Let us learn how to do subtraction with regrouping or borrowing. Now we can understand with this example. We have 3 tens and 5 ones, 1 10 and 9 ones. Okay, we have to subtract 9 from the 5. We cannot do subtract because we need to take borrow from 3 tens. Okay, because 5 is a smaller number and 9 is a bigger number. We cannot do subtract. Okay, we take 110 from the 310. Okay, for 5 ones. Okay, so we will take 110 from the 310. We are taking 110 from the 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 110. Okay, 110 and we have 5 ones. So we get 15. Okay, this is the 310 cannot give 1 bits. This will give 110, full bundle of 110. Okay, so we get 15. Now 15 is a bigger number and 9 is a smaller number. So we can subtract 9 from the 15. 15. Okay, now we have to subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, rest of number we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our difference between the 15 and 9. Okay, now we are going on 3. Here was 310. Now we give the 110 from of the 15. Now we have 210. We have 210. From the 210 we have to minus 110. Okay, from the 210 we have to minus 110. We are subtract 110 from the 210. So we get 110. So our difference is 6. Now we will learn in exercise 3.3. Subtract the following. Now we have to subtract with regrouping. Okay, here is given 9, 10 and 5 ones, 3 10 and 8 ones. We will regroup with 9 10. Okay, because 5 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. We cannot do subtract. We will take 110 from 9. when we will take 110 from 9, so we get 15. Okay, 15 ones, and now we will subtract 8 from the 15. So we get 7 ones. Now 9 tens minus 1 10, we get 8. 8 tens. 8 tens minus 3 tens, we get 5 tens. Okay, so our difference is 57. Rest of number I am leaving for you. You have to do for your practice. Okay, students.